friends, welcome and thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I have a renter-friendly and budget-friendly DIY. I'm making over my daughter's bathroom. I needed a renter-friendly way to upgrade her cabinets, so I decided to use a wood look grain peel and stick contact paper I purchased from Amazon. So this will be the first part of the bathroom upgrade. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Trina. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe so that you will be alerted when I post part 2. All my returning friends, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate y'all so much. Turn on your post notifications so you will be alerted when I post part 2. I really hope this video gives you some inspiration. If it does, let me know in the comments. I really want to know what y'all think. And with that being said, let's get into the video.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it.
Apologize, y'all. I lost so much footage and this was very hard to show y'all what this looks like on camera. But are you ready to see what this looks like?
Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it.
Alright, y'all, that's all from me. Thanks for stopping by. I hope this video inspired you in some way. Come back for part 2. Like, comment, and subscribe for more from me. Bye, y'all.